Servus, my name is Anna. Today we have a little special featuring two of our partners, Flo from Design Offices and Karen from Scandic. So what does the name Macherei mean and what's the history behind this area?
The Macherei is built on the former grounds of a brick factory made for creative people and makers. Everything here is about partnership and sustainability. Let's go!
Sustainability. Karen, Scandic also stands for sustainability.
Yes, of course. By staying with us, you don't only end your day with a good night's sleep, but you also do something for a better tomorrow. Since 1963, the Scandic hotels are a pioneer in the industry for sustainability. And we even started the Hanging Up Your Towel policy.
What is a little souvenir you can give to us and what's the story behind it?
As a Scandinavian company, we practice the tradition of a little fika, which is meant for a little time out and a pause with your colleagues and friends, where you enjoy a cinnamon roll and a coffee.
Thank you very much. So, Karen, thank you very much for having us and showing us around in your house.
Of course, and Merry Christmas.
Now, design offices are visible all over town, and I've been wondering, what is it that you actually do?
We are hosts for companies and we are offering flexible conference event spaces where people work together dearer and better, always according to our motto, feel good, work better.
What is a little souvenir you can give to us and what's the story behind it?
Design offices is not only the name, we also are looking for our furniture, and the word design offices, we have all our furniture designed from special companies, and that's why we have created our power horse, also named as multiple power plug. And that's what we have as a gift to you.
Thank you! So, thank you, Flo, for having us and showing us around your location. It was a pleasure, and have a happy holiday and Merry Christmas.
You're welcome, and also a happy holiday to you.